Hi guys, so since we're all back to office, I've put together some office wear outfits to show you guys. So all the links will be in the description box, and some of which I got offline. I'll be linking similar pieces. So let's get started. So for this first outfit, we have a basic kurta. This one has a nice floral print. So easy breezy. It's very chic. It's very comfortable. At the same time, it's perfect for office. It does not overdo it. It's pretty simple. I'm wearing white palazzos, so it's a very neutral looking outfit. I've added little bit pastels here and there, a pastel bag, and also jutis or like footwear which have a little bit of mint blue. So it adds a little color, but it's still subtle. So this I think is a very nice office wear or everyday use kind of a look. I think these work well even for college or basically everyday use. Next outfit, we again have a classic chikankari kurta. It's perfect for the summer and it is super comfortable and airy and perfect for summer. So this is a bright color, but again it is very elegant and perfect for office wear. So I paired it with a white pant, and I added the same silver jhumkas. You can accessorize a little bit more. You can wear a neck piece and few bangles or bracelets. You can accessorize a little bit more, but I thought I'll keep it simple. So I'm carrying this ikat bag. It completes the whole look. A very nice basic ethnic wear kind of a look, but perfect for everyday office or college. I'm also wearing black footwear. Again, goes perfectly well with any look, and I'm pretty sure every one of us have them in their wardrobe already. For the next one, I'm wearing a white sleeveless dress as a kurta. I have some silver jewelry here as well. Again, you can accessorize as you wish, but I thought these jhumkas kind of go well with your basic everyday kurtas. Again, I have some colorful jutis here because it's a plain white outfit. You can even do a solid color so that it gives a nice look. I'm using a digital printed cow print dupatta. It's red, so it adds a little pop of color, but again, it's simple enough to be worn for everyday use for office or college or just casually also. I styled the same dress with a white dupatta as well. This is a white lace dupatta. I'm pretty sure all of us have like pretty basic white dupattas or like off-white dupattas in our wardrobe. You can add any solid color dupatta or a Kalamkari dupatta as well. I think it makes for a perfect office look. This is something that you can wear out as well. For the next one, again we have one more basic. It's a basic black kurta. Again, I added heavy jhumkas, but you can go with something light as well, and I'm styling it with Kalamkari dupatta. These are cottons and they're perfect for everyday use in summer or just any season. These jhumkas are a little heavy, but I thought this oxidized look will go really well with this combination. I have this ikat bag. It's again a very basic but also very useful one, and it goes well with any outfits, both Indian and Western. Here I'm wearing black chappal, but you can pretty much add a little bit color as well. Again, a basic outfit, but looks very elegant and easy to put on every day in the morning. You don't have to think much. This is another dupatta. This is also Kalamkari. So I just wanted to show you guys some styling options. And you can also use any solid color dupatta again. It gives a very classy look. Absolutely love this one. This is our next look. I accessorized a little bit here because the outfit is very plain. It's a plain blue top. I'm wearing it with palazzos. These sort of look like dhoti pants, but they're actually palazzos. But you can wear it with dhoti pants or like straight cut pants as well. And I'm wearing a nice boho neck piece. You can add silver jewelry or oxidized jewelry as well for an Indianized look. This laptop bag again goes really well with every outfit, as you can see. This again is like a plain simple look, and I've linked a similar top in the description. It's available in pink and other colors too. Do check it out if you're looking for like simple everyday tops. For the next one, we have a little bit of floral print, yellow kurta. This one is a little basic but with a little oomph. It can be worn when you have a little bit of a special occasion at work. You can accessorize a little bit, but because I thought it has floral print, I thought I'll keep it simple. So I'm just wearing it with white pants, and I'm carrying a bag which has a little bit of color. So with a black bag, I think it neutralizes the entire look instead of adding a little more color to it. This next kurta is also again very comfortable, a little basic, but also because it's kota and has a little print on it, sort of looks very nice, like an Indian kurta. Again, can be worn when you have like a special occasion at work. A pretty basic kurta, but because of the color and everything, looks very nice. I pair it up with these mint shoes and a pastel bag. Added these really beautiful jhumkas. You can accessorize a little bit more with the neck piece, but I wanted to keep it simple because we're doing office looks. So that was the last look, you guys. I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to watch a part 2. All of the links will be in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video with more styling and haul videos. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also find me on Instagram for more such quick looks.